Hi, I'm Sam from the Loft Boys and I want to quickly tell you what to expect on a survey visit from us. All of our expert surveyors are former installation team leaders. This means we actually have the technical know-how and better personalities. Our aim is to help you maximise your living space whilst reducing your energy bills, plus we want to increase your property's appeal and value should you decide to sell up and move on. When we visit, we'll have a quick chat to go over your requirements, graciously accept a cuppa, then pop up into the loft. We can be up there for some time as we're ensuring that your loft structure is safe for boarding and looking through your old photo albums. We'll measure up for the best hatch and ladder solutions as well as creating our detailed floor plans. After that, we'll discuss our recommendations with you and answer your questions. We then aim to send you your tailored quote within 24 hours. You don't need to clear your loft out in preparation for your survey, but please ensure that the hatch is nice and accessible. The next step is to look out for the email that allows you to confirm your survey the working day before. We really look forward to meeting you, and whilst you're waiting, check out what so many of our lovely customers have had to say about us on our reviews page.